Right, so here we are. Modern Combat 5, update 21 I believe. So testing out the Bramson Recon. Yeah, seems to be spot on, Bramson. I've tried a Boss, seems okay. Firecracker's slow, Whisper's slow. There's still delay. I'm using the Razer 8GB of RAM gaming phone, Android, and still getting delay. And this is on a optimal setup, which is I've got it on 120 frames per second, the screen. I've got an headshot there with a Bramson. Also found that the assault grinder ain't doing shit. It's taking like a whole mag before you even get a chance to get a shot in. So the update, in my opinion, ain't made any improvements at all. COG seems to be OP again, which it always has. But Recon, Bramson seems to be doing the best. Headshots, two nice headshots there with it. As you can see, still delaying. I'm winning the match at the minute. This is the first time I've done my voice talk over, so bear with me. This Paragon dude, man, he's playing on an S9 Plus Samsung. So he's running quite quick as well. Right, I've turned over to the grinder now. This is a Mark 6 grinder, full attachments though. Before it used to be like one headshot kill, about 3 shots to body shots to kill. Now it's like bad. You're talking like a whole magazine nearly. I've had to speed this up obviously because even Pete, see that player there? Standard armour assault, even took about 6-7 bloody shots just to kill him. As you can see. Sounds like nearly a whole mag. This dude didn't want to die, so he ended up stabbing me. Again, shot there in the head, didn't kill him. That's like whole magazine, reload. Even standard assault is taking loads to kill. So if you're going to play assault, I suggest play COG. Mark 6 COG, or I've got to try the battle with PR39. As you can see, how many bullets have I just thrown into this bloke and they're not dying. And that was it, match complete. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.